Coming up tonight on YCU, another gunpoint robbery in Lebanon. A fire destroys a house in Newport. And we'll listen in on some of the Kearsarge choral concert from last night. With more news and weather, stay tuned. It's time for YCU, your local view.
Now, your daily digest of the Dartmouth Lake Sunapee region and central Vermont. News, sports, weather, public affairs, and all that's happening in our area. The news on YCU, your local view.
Hi, Dave Carmichael here with you on YCU. Lebanon police are searching for a man who held up the Family Dollar store last night. The robbery happened at around 8 p.m. in the Miracle Mile Plaza. Police say the masked man held up employees at gunpoint and demanded money. He then took off on foot with an undisclosed amount of cash. No one was hurt. The robber is described as a white male, 6 feet tall, and was wearing a black hooded sweatshirt, jeans, and a camouflage mask and gloves. This is the second armed robbery in the past month in Lebanon, with the last one occurring at the Little Store on March 8th. Anyone with information is asked to call the Lebanon Police Department at 603-448-1212. Mount Ascutney Hospital and Health Center announced yesterday the nonprofit will close its skilled nursing facility this September. Hospital officials say the recent Medicare cuts and a revenue growth gap set by the Green Mountain Healthcare Board were major factors in the decision to shut down the facility on September 1st. Automatic sequestration cuts slated to take effect April 1st will decrease Medicare payments to the organization by 2%, approximately $500,000 annually. Fire officials say the cause of a first alarm fire at 309 Bradford Road, Newport yesterday evening was unknown. Fire Captain David McCrillis said he believed the fire started in the bathroom and then spread throughout the wall and then into the attic of the two-story home. No one was injured, but the house is probably not livable. The Springfield Elks Club is always looking for ways to help out their community. Thanks to their efforts of paying their annual per capita to the Elks National Foundation, they get back funds to give to local groups like the Springfield Parks and Rec Department, Chester Parks and Rec Department, and drug awareness programs. And this week, they were able to help out an organization called the Springfield Prevention Coalition with a check for $385. The Springfield Prevention Coalition's vision is engaging youth and families to build a vibrant, fun, and purposeful community. Their mission is supporting youth and families to make healthy choices. Maine, New Hampshire, and Vermont have formed a specialized medical assistance team to respond to disasters in our region. The 56-member team, dubbed New Hampshire 1, has expertise in emergency and wilderness medicine, toxicology, pharmacology, respiratory therapy, orthopedics, and radiological protection. The New Hampshire State House of Representatives has approved a 12-cent per gallon tax hike on gasoline and diesel fuel to pay for repairs to roads and bridges. The bill now goes to the Senate, which has passed its own bill funding road work with the revenue from legal casino gambling. The Vermont House of Representatives is getting behind a tax package that could raise money for a variety of needs, including child care subsidies and low-income heating assistance. The legislation hikes the tax on cigarettes, extends the sales tax to soda and candy, and raises taxes on upper-income households. The Vermont House has advanced a bill containing new protections for lakes from the damaging effects of shoreline developments. Environmental groups, however, say the bill has been significantly watered down, and they hope the Senate can strengthen it. For these stories and more, please like our Facebook page and check out our website at ycunow.com. After the break, we'll hear from Karen Zerhide, the Regional President of Ledgerd Bank in New London.
The YCU News continues in a moment.